What is up, guys? It is me, Kyle Moore here, and afraid we got some bad news. We went to the vet today, and Spanky is no longer with us. The people that don't know who Spanky was, he was our dog. He was part of the family. We loved him dearly. He's on my wall now. You can't see. There he is. That is Spanky. He was a Shih Tzu, and we loved him dearly. He got attacked by a dog that is living with us. It's not Roxy, and it was not Baby Girl. It was one of my brother's dogs. Spanky died in the vet 3 o'clock p.m. Monday afternoon on the, on the 25th. I think it's the 25th. Yeah, it's the 25th, I think. Maybe. Let's find out. Yeah, 25th. 3 p.m. on Monday, April 25th, 2016. And our life has been so miserable for the past couple of weeks. My aunt died. Roxy's baby died. Spanky got attacked and got killed. Seeing him with his eyes open on that bed was very, very, very upsetting me. I held him in my arms, and it was just like, Spanky, wake up, you know? Like, he was stiff. He's gonna be missed dearly. He's always in my heart. And I really do love that dog. What never even happened if we moved. If we haven't moved, he would still be laying in the bed in our house. But I guess things happen for a reason, guys. Please hold on to the things you love when you got it, you know. But every morning I'm gonna see Spanky. Every single morning I'm gonna see Spanky and talk to him. So I guess it ain't a bad thing. Spanky is no longer in pain at all. But guys, I was upset, but now I feel better that he is not feeling no pain, you know. He's not feeling no pain. It does break my heart that he's not here with us anymore, but he's not in pain no more. He just died, passed away. Spanky, we love you so much. You're my brother, you're my friend. You're a great pet. Alright guys, the movie is coming out. Sorry guys, my dad was talking to me, but the movie is coming out tonight. So is this video. Alright guys, please like, subscribe, favorite, and that is it. See y'all in the next video. And I promise the next video I will not be so upset. Alright guys.